Hello folks, welcome to the channel, The BI Nerd.
In this 1-minute Power BI video we will learn how to make a line graph in Power BI. We will make a line graph which will look like this, so let's begin. Step 1, go to the right side of the canvas, select the line chart icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Expand the visuals by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Step 2, select date, then drag and drop date x-axis. Select revenue, then drag and drop revenue to y-axis. Step 3, now we will drill down. To display date and revenue in various views, select the icon for expand all down one level in the hierarchy level down. You can drill down from year to quarter to months to days. You can drill up by clicking on the up arrow. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and check out other interesting Power BI videos.